So hello students, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do the distance formula derivation. Means we will derive this formula today, and how it came we will know and we will prove it. So we have to draw a graph, which I am going to draw, and I will skip the video. But you will not skip the video. You have to see the video full. Otherwise this is very hard. Not so hard then also. As students, I have drawn a graph here. Here x-axis is there and y-axis is there. I have given some points x1, x2 on x-axis and y1, y2 in y-axis. Let's make a point here. So let's make a point here. Let's take it as point P, and here x-axis means x1 point and y1 point is there. So we will write here x1 and comma y1, and again we will make a point here also, and again we will name a point here also. Let's take it as x. And what will be the name of the point? Actually it is very easy. We can write it x2 comma y2. We have to write on the x2 comma y2, x2 comma y2. Now we have to find the distance between this and this. It is the main concept. Here we will use the Pythagoras theorem, but we have to use a logic. We have here one distance will be there, and this is perpendicular. Actually this axis is also perpendicular here, then it is also being here because it's a collinear angle which was studied in class 9th. And here also will be an axis, as we can write here x square minus x1. Can we write it? Yes, we can write it, because the length of this is x2 and this one is x1. If we minus x2 from x1, we will get this one. Have you understood? Like similarly we can write it as y2 minus y1, because the length of this is y2 and this one is y1. While subtracting y2 and y1, we will get this length, and after this we will use the Pythagoras concept. Let's name this point as example y. This point, this we can name it as y. If any confusion, we can change it also. Example, let's take it not y because it's coming in y-axis. Let's take it as z. Let's take it as z. Let's take it as z. Yeah, now we will use the Pythagoras concept. By using Pythagoras, we can write it as px square is equals to pz square plus xz square. Is it correct? Px square means hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Due to we are doing the derivation, we have to find the px square's value, but we actually don't know px square's value, but we have to find px square's value. It is in the given only. Pz square is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And our derivation is almost completed only, because px we can write it as root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. By using this concept, it was very easy sum, and it was very easy, and everybody can do it.